Hi makers, I'm going to show you how to add your maker profile picture to your store profile. So select my profile and then my account. And then the area that we're going to change is we're going to add an image to your maker profile. So select upload image and again upload image, and you can see there that it's telling you that information about having 500 by 500 pixel image. Select upload image, locate your picture that you're wanting to upload. We're going to upload this cute little profile pic. So you can see it's attached, and then you can just hit save. And in just a little moment, there is your updated profile pic. That's on your store profile. So if you want to see what that looks like from the front end, you can select view profile, and that will show your storefront here, and this is where your profile picture would show.